how to create conditions motivating to improve vision naturally. First, you can draw a circle on the wall in your home about 2 meters or 6 feet in diameter and practice exercise to look along the outline of the circle. It is the most necessary exercise, which is necessary for myopia treatment, farsightedness treatment and astigmatism treatment, to look around the contour of a circle. It helps to stabilize and balance all eye muscles and to remove tension from the eyes. I have a full video about this, the most important exercise, on my channel. Second, buy a pirate band to train your lazy eye. Just wear it for 3 minutes a day on your stronger eye. Third, place some kind of obstruction on the table that would prevent you from leaning close to the computer monitor. In my case, I used a GoPro clip. Fourth, download various relaxation meditations to your phone and listen to them, especially before bedtime. So resting and recovery at night will be much more effective. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.